how to create a subdomain on Bluehost, a subdomain for WordPress. Well, let's log into Bluehost first. You don't want mini plugins because they are just causing issues for each other. So normally your Bluehost will open from the home page. You can see my sites where you find your WordPress installations and domains down here. We want a subdomain. So a domain is like joyfulness.net. We go on subdomains and I'm going to call it forum. And in this case, you decide that it is going to be in a folder forum, which doesn't exist yet. If I choose some folder here where it's going to be stored that already exists, it means I'm not creating a new WordPress. So for a new WordPress, this folder has to be new. Here you can see other folders that exist. So if I would have chosen this, it would be saved in the same folder. It wouldn't be separate. So now we can see it here. This is the new subdomain, forum.joyfulness.net, and it's got its own folder. Now we are going to go to My Sites and start a new WordPress installation. Here we can see the WordPress installations that already exist. So we scroll down and say Add Site. We choose WordPress. We call it Joyfulness Forum. And we hit Next. The domain we are after is so it is right here, forum.joyfulness.net. The directory is forum. Remember, we just created it. And we don't want any plugins. They are not actually helpful unless we really want them, because they just cause trouble. So here we go. We just installed this WordPress. We go straight through to WordPress. And here we go. Now we've got a brand new subdomain, which is forum.joyfulness.net, and a brand new WordPress. So next we're going to install the Astra theme and activate it.